Hello everyone, welcome back. We have in another part of my ECCC 21 haul. This is something you can tell what it is. Well, I mean, you can't tell, it's just two exclusives, two firearms available, but this is the Vaporeon. Let's see how the shipping is going to be. It sounds pretty bad, actually. Yeah, it's just loosely in there. That's kind of crappy. I can see some damage in the back already. It's still pretty cool, though. Looks like the front's pretty good. It looks like the jewel right up on top, right up there. Here is Vaporeon.
Here, you can't see that.
Very, very nice. I should have got two of these guys. I only got one. What do you think? Look at that. Look at that. We have to. Anything you want to say about this Pokemon Pop, Dexter?
No, I want to pop the bubble wrap.
Okay, let's pop the bubble wrap. All he cares about. Oh, there it goes. There's the pop. All right, you guys. Here in a second, you're going to see this guy on the spinner, and you are going to see a closer look.